All right, let's go see what Tommy's up to. This is going to be a hot I think you said it's got about 570 horsepower in this engine, if I can recall. All-wheel disc brakes. These are sharp-looking wheels. Yeah, so this will be hot. I was visiting Tommy. He's working on my dad's Studebaker, or he did work on my dad's Studebaker years ago. Then we had some DeSoto, but this looks pretty sharp too, like a black cherry. Been lowered, obviously. Studebaker. So what's the story on this Studebaker? So Tommy, is this? Oh, I didn't know you guys were talking
That's okay.
about that. Studebaker, is that a two-door originally? That wagon?
Yeah, that's a Conestoga wagon. I only built 200 of them.
I would say that's got to be rare.
Yeah, that one's kind of really customized though. It's got a 500 cubic inch.
Oh yeah, it's been lowered. Has it been chopped? Is that
Been
chopped?
chopped, all
Yeah.
new glass.
Well, that looks good. That's sharp.
Paul Rick did the glass from the chop work up in Sun Valley.
Okay.
He does all that. That's what he does. He chops some new glasses on it.
Yeah, I don't think I've seen a two-door Studebaker wagon.
Yeah, well, this
like
one's
you
got
said.
the Corvette headlights in it, been chopped in.
Yeah, I noticed that.
It's got
It's an LS.
a 500 Cadillac in it.
Oh, Cadillac.
And I got to do some structural work on it because the Cadillac engine is really heavy on the frame on the Studebaker.
So this would have been out of what era Cadillac? 60s?
Probably in the 70s. 500
70s.
cubic inch come out in the 70s.
Okay, like in a big, Coupe de Ville, or who knows, the four-door, two-door, could have been any of them.
I'm switching from carburation to fuel injection. And waiting on parts to come in for this.
Yeah, that looks great. I like those disc wheels, like the moon. Really,
Got door poppers in it instead of door handles.
right. All electronic. Yep.
I've been putting, I already got the rubber in it. I'm doing the rubber.
New rubbers. Yeah, that'll look great when it's out on the road again. I didn't mean to interrupt you and Dad there. What, Plymouth?
It's a Dodge Dart.
Dodge Darter. I was thinking Plymouth Belvedere or Dodge.
64.
Yeah. So this would have had a straight slant six, probably.
It's got a souped up slant 6 in it.
Oh yeah.
I just put the engine in it the other day.
Oh, that's a good touch. You don't often see that.
Yeah, that's an Australian souped up stuff. It's got the Australian intakes and dual exhaust on it, and trick head, trick cam, trick rods, pistons. Supposed to put out close to 300 horsepower.
So is this the original block?
Yeah.
So would it be like a 3-liter now somewhere?
He says it's still a 225, but it's just got
Oh,
the souped up
okay.
cam and the valve train and everything in it.
That's a great idea. Ah, that's a good looking car. Nice color.
Yeah, they bring them to me because they know I'm so careful when I put them together so I don't scratch nothing. It takes a lot. That's like that airflow is going to be. I love your car, but it is a pain in the behind to work on. You know that.
I know that.
Well, speaking of which,
you really
there it
got
is.
to be careful putting that thing together. I mean, you
The
can't
way you have
ding
to,
nothing.
the way you mean it's awkward to lean over into the hood. Or
It's not that. There's just hardly any room to slide everything in.
Okay.
Oh, Tommy, Auto Restoration magazine. I've got this car in there now.
It does.
What's the name of the magazine?
Auto Restoration.
There's a feature on the DeSoto Airflow. It's for what month is it? For April or May?
Yeah, this month, yeah.
All right.
Did you see the one that I did? 1 of 1.
All right. So this is having a engine rebuild. So look at that. There's nothing there. Looks like the prior owner who had this DeSoto put together, they inserted the pistons too tight and it started overheating and giving us trouble. So anyway, it was best to just remove the engine, take care of it. But otherwise, it's a clean looking car.
Waiting on parts having make stuff, and beautiful car. That's what it looks like when I got it. Give it all the pieces.
Let's take a look at this Morgan real quick. It's kind of a TT replica Roadster with the cycle fenders, wire wheels, cream-faced gauges. So are these SUs? Yeah, SUs. All right. Side exhaust. These are the Super Sport bucket seats.
I'll write it down for you.
The Brooklyn's windscreens. And this windscreen here will fold forward. We had a Super Sport replica, but not the TT style. All right, so we're gonna put ours together like this one, similar?
Oh, yeah. Why not?
Yep. Very cool. So what do you got there, Tommy?
That's the car that I built.
Oh, you did this one?
Yeah, that's one of one left in the world. 34 Studebaker Grand Regal Roadster.
Grand Regal Roadster.
President.
And you did that one.
Took me 2 years to build that car.
So would that be a straight 8?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there a picture of it inside, or let's take a look? Oh yeah. Yep. Oh yeah, the rumble seat. Oh yeah, it looks pretty tough with that that roof line like that.
It's the sexiest car around.
Yeah, it's sort of a top, isn't it? Wow, no kidding. Studebaker. You wouldn't have thought.
Yep.
Yeah, very good.
That's a very, very.
You've got a bullet nose convertible here. So that's the 6, right?
Yeah.
With a 3 on the tree.
It's for sale.
And the overdrive, right?
303 overdrive.
Yeah. We had the bullet nose coupe, the Starlight. All right. So is it still considered a Starlight?
No,
It's just convertible.
Champ convertible.
Okay, so Starlight is only the coupe with the wraparound rear windows.
Yeah. It was only between 200 and 300 of these built. 250.
This one's for sale?
Yep. You want 25,000 for it. It's got a few.
Oh, it looks like a pretty clean car.
It is. It's original. Paint's not original. The interior's not original, but as far as the drivetrain's all original. Got a few little flaws in it right here, and that's it.
Yeah, that's a lot of fun. That'd be great. 4-seater.
Runs like a top. Wouldn't be afraid to take off to San Francisco in it right now. They're just still around up there.
Yeah, I have to say we drove our Starlight on the freeway every now and then. It was very, very comfortable with the overdrive. There was no trouble at all.
You put it overdrive, run 70, 75 down the road.
Yeah,
Just
easy.
perfect.
That's clean under the hood, too. It looks
Yeah.
great.
Yeah, very good. Custom Cadillac. Oh, with the Foose wheels. Those are what, like 20-inch wheels?
Yeah, this is kind of a hybrid. It's got an LS3 in it. Got trying to get the air conditioning finished up on it. It's got a late model Corvette engine.
Ooh, it just barely clears the
Yeah.
the bumper. An LS3 out of a
Corvette.
like a C6.
Yeah.
C6, right? Oh wow, yeah, that fits right in there, no trouble. I mean, it almost looks small in there.
And this has got air ride suspension on it. Airbags all the way around. It's one of them cars.
Yeah, that's fun. All right. Well, we didn't mean to interrupt you here, so we just wanted to check
Oh,
on
you're
things.
fine.
But,
Always nice to have company. I've been waiting for a gentleman to show up from Sacramento today, and he ain't showed up.
All right. Well,
Called me yesterday, said he'd be here, but he never came. So I'm flying in. I got to come down. I want you to do a 29 Studebaker for me, complete frame off.
Oh,
That's what I'd like to do. That's
Cool.
what I'm in business to do.
and what's your if anyone who sees this, they want to have some work done? What's your name of your shop and your address?
Studebaker Restoration,
Okay.
Long Beach, California,
Okay.
1408 Santa Fe.
Got it. Very good. So it looks like you can do anything, really.
Well, I specialize Studebakers, but I can do restore any kind of car, do any modifications, hot rod modifications, anything.
Yep. Very good. All right. Appreciate it. Thanks, Tommy.
Yep.